After launching 3 keyboards, Keychron is back again with another new innovation. Introducing Keychron K6, a compact, wireless mechanical keyboard crafted to maximize your workspace while improving your productivity. With a 65% layout, it comes with all the essential keys. You can easily access all the necessary multimedia and function keys through the combination of key presses, perfect for home, office, and gaming. Along with its ultra flexibility, the K6 hot-swappable version allows you to alter every single switch in seconds and customize your typing experience with ease. Available in 2 types of switches: the optical switch and the Gateron switch. With the fast and precise optical switches, you can type and play in warp speed. K6 also offers various Gateron switch options as well. Whether you prefer linear, clicky, or something in between, we've got you covered. Featuring signature Keychron qualities and ideal for multitasking, K6 is compatible with macOS and Windows. The K6 can connect up to 3 devices via reliable Broadcom Bluetooth chip, or you can connect to a single device with a Type-C cable. Comes with 15 RGB backlight options that help to type in dim environments. 2 adjustable rubber feet angles that allows you to find a more comfortable typing angle, and a 4000 mAh battery to ensure a constant power supply. Keychron K6 has all you need in a super compact size.